This conference will now be recorded.
So yesterday, I have shown this diagram, right? So I have told all the user information it will be stored inside LDAP. Okay. So how the data it will be stored in the LDAP? Okay. Why it is, okay? We have two types of databases. One the conventional databases like Microsoft SQL Server, data DB2. So where we have the tables and columns. So whereas in identity management, right? Whereas in LDAP the data, right, it will be stored in the form of a tree structure. Okay. Uh, why it will store in the form of a tree structure, right? To perform search operations. Okay. If the data is stored in a form of tree structure, right? Search operation is very easy. Okay. First, I will explain how the tree structure it will look like. Then we'll see more about the search operation. Later on, uh, uh, this is let direct check.
Hello, voice is not clear.
Marking this okay.
Voice is not clear.
Okay.
Hello,
In uh, different local.
hello, hello.
Hello, Munir. Hello, hello.
I think he is unable to hear our voice here.
Okay, looks okay. Okay, some
Yeah,
connect.
yeah, yeah. I just called him. He disconnected.
Okay, I'm not able to hear him from
Yeah,
something
yeah,
like.
I'm also not able to hear.
Okay,
Hello? Are you able to hear me? Hello? Hello, Srikanth?
Yeah, hello. Manir, still your voice is like it's breaking in between.
I'm facing some. Okay, you're able to see my screen? Hello?
Not completely. Hello?
Can you see the chat?
Yeah, I'm able to see the screen share, but your
Okay,
voice
still.
is not like it's
It's
not.
network issue at home, Srikanth. Okay. So I have computing
I
from
think
yesterday night. Okay, I
still
come
your
back
voice is
to.
not clear.
Clear. Yeah, still it's not clear.
Give me a second. Okay, Srikanth, I made you as organizer. Can you please share your screen?
Okay.
Hello, yeah.
I'm not getting that option to share. It's not enabled yet.
Yes.
To share, ask.
Yeah, you're the organizer. Yeah, I think you can now. Actually, I'm facing network issues from yesterday night. Okay, that's why I have connected
Okay.
from mobile hotspot.
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, you're able to see screen.
Check to load, I guess. No.
Others like Mona, you're able to see.
Yeah, now I'm able to see.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay. You want me to give control, Monir?
No need of control. No need of control. So open your paint,
Okay.
draw the tag, or okay, do one thing. Do one thing. No need to open any, draw any paint or not. Okay, in your web, right, search like this. LDAP directory structure, example. LDAP directory structure. LDAP directory structure. Okay. Right side you could see one image, right? Yeah, click on that
Yeah.
image. Yeah, click on that image. Scroll down. Find the diagram. Yeah. Okay. Scroll up a little bit. Scroll up. So if you see here, right? So this is a simple example of tree structure. Okay. So the root is something like what we have. Okay. You can go with like organization equal to Infosys. So this organization has two branches. Country equal to Great Britain and country equal to US. So again in US, it has state California. Okay, and again there is another level, organization level. Oh, Acme is there, and organization unit sales is there, and marketing is there. Okay, now under sales you see Barbara Jensen. Okay, CN equals CN means they here common name. Okay, so this okay, if you see right, Barbara is an employee who is a part of sales team in which organization? Acme. In which state? California. And which country? US. Bottom to top, if you see. So we have something called distinguished name, DN. Okay, in shortcut, we used to call it as a DN. DN means distinguished name. So the DN of Barbara Jensen, right? How it will be read? Open that. Open your notepad. Okay, DN. Type DN. DN means distinguished. DN. D. D for dog. DN means distinguished name. Okay. DN for that employee is CN equal to Barbara, comma Jensen. CN equal to CN equal to CN equal to Barbara, comma Jensen. Her name Barbara, comma Jensen. Type it. Okay. Barbara, comma Jensen. Okay. No. Okay. Jensen. Jensen. Okay. Comma. Okay. Barbara Jensen. Okay. There is no comma between Barbara and Jensen. Only space. Barbara space Jensen. Okay. Comma. OU equal to sales bottom to top. No. Comma. No space. After Jensen's comma. That's it. Okay. No space. No space. Don't give space. Okay. OU equal to sales comma organization. O equal to Acme. State equal to California. Country equal to US. Comma ST. State. ST equal to ST means state. ST, it's not state. ST equal to California, comma, country equal to US. C, country means C. Country C, just C. Okay, this is the distinguished name of for that particular employee. So by seeing this one, right, we can easily identify where Barbara Jensen is located. So she is located in USA in state California, and the organization is Acme, and her department is sales. Okay, and her department is sales. Okay, there might
Yeah.
be, if go to go to the diagram. Okay, minimize this notepad and go to the. Okay, there might be another employees who will be part of OE equal to marketing. So under like Barbara, there might be other employees uh, who is under marketing. Okay,
Yeah.
now here, right, the main operation is search operation. Why search operation? So I have told you, right, inside LDAP only all our passwords will be stored. Okay, there won't be any other place. Okay, let us assume whenever you hit an application, right, you got the login page. So in the login screen, we have to enter the username and password. So access management tool, right? Any access management tool. So what it will do, right? What they will do? They will send that username and password back to the LDAP. Okay, they have to send the username and password back to the LDAP. So inside LDAP, only we can verify whether the entered username or password is matched. That pair is correct or not. Okay, that's why. Uh, so when that username and password reaches the LDAP, right? So there, what will happen, right? Like first we need to find whether that user is existed or not, right? So before verifying, we have to find whether that person is whether that employee is already exist or not. So how we will do? First, we need to do a search operation. Okay, first how we will find? So when we have to do a search operation, right? We need to search that user first, whether that user is there or not. Okay, so now we'll see what are okay. So under country equal to, okay, go to your notepad. So we'll add one more. Okay, at the end, C equal to US, right? Comma and comma root. Okay, just add this one for our readability. Okay, just add root root. Okay, so now we will see how we can do a search operation. Okay, now I can search. Now I wanted to search for Barbara Jensen. So how we will do? Okay, first thing, whenever you do a search operation, right? The first thing you need to do is you have to set the search base. Okay, type it down, search base. The next line, search like this, search base, space base. So what is this search base? Search base, it will define where to search. Okay, search base, it will define where to search, where to search. Okay, so now we will see what are all the possible ways, search bases we can set for this while doing a search operation for this Benson. Okay, go to your root, go to your diagram, sorry. So you can search for this user under the whole tree. Okay, you can search under the country whole Great Britain and US. So that means you can start your search pointer from the root itself. Okay, so go to your notepad and type it like this, search base. So, no, next line, search base one. So search base one. Okay, the first possible ways we can search for that user under the whole tree. That means under the country Great Britain, under the country USA. So for that value is okay. No. Whole tree means, so the search base value is root. If you set root, okay. So if you set as root means, first it will go and check in the country Great Britain, and if the user doesn't find over there, right, it will come to the pointer US and it will search the whole tree under the US. Under C equal to US, right? It will search whole tree over there. Okay. Now the second possible search base 2. Now this time I know my employee is there in country US. Okay, now the search base it will change like this from right to left. Okay, from the D and right, if you see country equal to US, country equal to US, that means C equal to US. Sorry, C equal to US. Okay, don't give space. Okay, don't give space. C equal to US, comma root. So you have to give comma root. So if you set search base like this means root. Okay, so the pointer right, it will come from right to left. What is the value we have, right? Root, then country equal to US. So the search pointer right, it will go to the tree and it will first it will go to the root and it comes to the country equal to US. Okay, so then now what will happen under it will search under the tree which we have under country equal to US. Okay, the whole tree under country equal to US. So we are completely avoiding Great Britain. So this is the second possible search base. Okay, so under US we have many states. Okay, but unnecessarily we are checking the other states, right? But this time I know my user is there, my employee is there in state California. So now how my search base it will go, right? Search base 3. This is another possible search base 3. So in the diagram they didn't mention the other states, but in real time we'll have the other states also, right? Search base 3. So what is, can you any guess?
ST. ST equals
ST
to
equal to California, comma country equal to US, comma root. Okay, with when you set search base like this means you will search only under California only. Okay, in which country? US. Okay, now okay, go to the diagram. So but let us assume we have other organization also under the state. So I'm now I know my user is there in organization Acme only. So how my search base it will change now? Search base 4. I'm telling you the possible search bases. Search base 4. Yes.
okay. So what was that question?
Now I know my user is there in Acme
Mm.
organization. I wanted to avoid the other organizations also. So how my search base it will go? It will start from O equal to Acme, comma ST equal to California, comma country equal to US, bottom to top. You can get the values from CN, sorry DN, from the
Okay.
user DN. Yeah, copy paste. Yes. Okay. Now there is another possible search base. So if you go to the diagram, so if you search base like this means the pointer it will start under the O equal to Acme. But O equal to Acme, we have two chains are there. Organization unit equal to sales and organization equal to marketing. But now I know my employee is there in sales. How I need to define the search base?
Yeah.
Go to your
Same.
notepad. Yeah. Now the search base it will change. OE equal, just add OE equal to sales before. Okay, if you set like this means it will set the employees who are under sales only. Okay, it will avoid the Great Britain, it will avoid the other states, it will avoid the other organization, and it will avoid the other organization unit. Directly it will come under the sales. Did you get it? This search base. What is the meaning of the search base? It will set where to search. Search base, it will define where to start the search.
Okay.
Okay, now you know where to search. The other thing is you need to find whom to search. Okay, that is known as search filter. So these are the two important things which we need. Okay, filter. The other thing which we require is in the next line, type it search filter, search base and search filter. In the next line, yeah, search filter. So what is the search filter? It will define, right? It will search filter. It will define whom to search. Okay, first one is where to search, and second, and the search filter is whom to search. Okay, I will give one example, one situation for you. So let us assume you went to one school, okay, to find a student, but you don't know which section he is and which grade he is, and you know only his name. Okay, you know only his name. So how fast you can search? So can anyone explain, please? So the situation is you wanted to find a student. All you know is his name only. Okay, but you don't know his grade and everything. So how fast? Okay, in order to search that student quickly, what will be your approach? Anyone? So this is the situation. So you wanted to find a student. All you know is his name only. So what are the possible ways you can quickly search that student?
Mm, you can check on name, class,
No, no.
mm,
Everything offline. There is no. Okay, you can check on. Okay,
information.
let us
Okay.
assume. Okay, there is uh one first possible solution. I'm saying. So you have sections from first standard to 10th standard. So what you will do, since you know the name, the first option is you will go to each and every section starting from standard 1 to standard 10. So you will go to each and every section and you will find you will ask for that name, right? So this is not the best way.
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah,
Okay,
correct. Yeah.
that is not the best way because we have 10 possible. Okay, if the employee, if the student is there in 10th standard, right? You need to visit 10 sections starting from okay until you find that student. Okay, so the second possible way is okay. Try to find. Okay, you can try to find out which section. I mean, whether he's in a primary section or in secondary. I mean, he's high school or the lower grade section. So that means from class to 1 to 5 or 6 to 10. So first find out. Okay, okay. Now you worked hard and you got information, and he's in higher.
Hello? Your last name again?
Oh, hello.
Yeah.
The date of birth is same, their surname is same, everything is same. But hello, Srikanth there?
Yeah, I'm there.
No, no, no. Okay. So there will be one unique feature, right? I have told roll number. No two people will have the same roll number.
Actually, we lost you,
Okay.
Mohit, from a
Oh,
past
sorry.
5 minutes, 5, 10
Oh,
minutes.
sorry. Okay. So I have told you. Okay. Now. Okay. So now you went to the exact classroom and you. Okay. Now once you entered over there, right? Now you have observed there are two people with the same name and with the same surname, okay, and even with the same date of birth. But we need only one guy, okay. So what is the best way to identify our guy? Our guy based on the roll number. Why means no two people will have the same roll number. We need only one unique value. Hello.
Okay.
So next time, right? So you can easily search based on these two conditions, right? Now you know where to search. Okay, where to search means which section. Okay, and now you know whom to search based on the unique attribute which is known as roll number. Okay, that means no two users will have the same roll number. Okay, so you can, so that's what search based on search filter here. Okay, search filter, it will define whom to search. So in LDAP, so we have such attributes are there. So they those attributes, right? When you do a search operation, right, they will give only single value. So you have to choose while doing search operation, especially in case of access management. So you have to choose such attributes where they will result, where they will give result unique value. Okay, that means only one value. Like so employee ID and email address. These are the two values you can use while doing a search operation. Why means no two employees will have the same employee number or same user ID and same email address. No two people will have the same user ID, same email address, and same user employee number. These are all unique. Okay, even though there are some lakhs of employees, right? The employee number will be different for all the employees. The email address will be different. The user ID, which in general we use employee ID only as our user ID, which is unique. So you have to choose such attributes while performing a search operation. Why means they'll give only one value, single value. Okay, if you do a search operation, if you search filter based on the first name, definitely there will be another person with same first name as you. Or if you do a last name, right? If you do a search operation, you will get multiple results. Definitely, there might be another person with the same last name as you or surname as you. So that's why while we have to choose correct attributes while doing a search operation. Guys, I will stop here for today. Tomorrow, right? I'll share my screen and I'll show how this search operation it will happen. Okay, this is what theory only. Tomorrow we will do practical. Okay.
Okay. You want me to
Yeah,
ping
actually,
this?
no. Yeah, yeah, ping in the chat. Okay, you can then copy. So, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Install Notepad plus plus in your machine by tomorrow session. So before
Yeah, I'm
tomorrow
doing
class,
it.
right? Yeah, install Notepad plus plus.
Okay.
Okay, guys. I'll share this recording to Gautam. He'll share.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
ఇది ఎందుకు తీసావు నాన్న ఇది వద్దు